Okay, Nilendu, do you have any idea about adulteration that happens with milk?
I I got to know this thing from one of my brother. They have telcol oil.
What is tel called? Oil making machine?
Yeah, oil
Oil
making
mills, all mills. Okay.
oil.
Why is
They have oil mills, and he said me that in North 24 PGS region, they are mixing so many adulterations with mustard oil, and in these days, and when the food SI comes and check these things, they give them bribes and get released from their custody. Okay.
So they're giving bribes, and
Yeah.
that's how mane ghush diye ar ki they are releasing these oils and going ahead.
So Nilendu, so main thing is what we understood that nowadays FSSI officers, whoever is SI or anyone, so they are not doing their job well. Instead of taking action, they are just settling it locally,
Yeah.
taking the bribes, right? So that's why this lot of food adulteration cases are rising, and people are getting suffering
Cured
from
with suffering from so many diseases.
yeah,
These
so many
days.
diseases. They are getting ill just because of this adulteration food consuming. Right? Yeah. Sure. Thank you. Thanks.
So I just want to know that in this mustard oil, you said that they are adding something so that it's becoming very pungent
Yeah,
and very
just one
strong.
drop of
Something, one drop, and also color.
They are making. They are adding just one drop of a medicine that changes the color and the smell of that mustard oil, and in this way they are adulterating the mustard oil, and this mustard oil, when we purchase it from nearby shops, we get suffered from diseases.
We suffer.
Like-
Get it, dorkar nahi, we suffer.
We
Yes.
suffer from diseases like cancer, and cancer to ekdine hoy na. Cancer doesn't occur in one day. We suffer from gastric ulcers and ওই রকম টাইপের কিছু রোগে আমরা আক্রান্ত হই।
Several other diseases.
other diseases.
Absolutely. Right. So that means that
বেশি
when
দিন
you
হতে
see
হতে
the
এটা যেহেতু কার্সিনোজেনিক, তো বেশি দিন হতে হতে এটা ক্যান্সারের মানে রূপ নেয়।
gradually it gets into cancer, we suffer from cancer, absolutely. So the bottom line is the advertisements where they show that the mustard oil is so much strong and pungent that they are getting tears in their eyes. ভাপা চিংড়ি, ভাপা ইলিশ, মানে চোখে জল এসে গেল, জল না এলে কি সরষের তেল, মানে যত ঝাঁঝ তত খাঁটি. That's how they promote it. That means it's actually dangerous. They're doing it with the help of a chemical, one drop. That's why you're getting tears, and literally nowadays the mustard oil, it is really very pungent and very, very strong. I'm noticing this. All brands. I want to quickly move to Pralay, just a moment. No. Now I have to quickly move to Pralay because he's a medical student. I would like to know that due to adulteration, the 5 main diseases that we can suffer from.
nowadays what I have observed that is many people are coming with heartburn. That is, we have all suffered sometimes in our days. That is বুক জ্বালা যেটাকে বলে ম্যাম, heartburn. Whatever we consume, after consuming, we are complaining that something is burning in our upper respiratory tract or upper GI tract. So what is happening nowadays? Due to several episodes of that heartburn, nowadays the GI tract cancer is very prevalent. Because what happens? Our body is so adaptive, that is, whenever you are suffering several episodes of heartburn during 1 month, so our body will adapt and our body will change your GI tract into someone else, and that is cancerous. Because our body will try to uh, help and try to heal the burning sensation. So the lining epithelium or whatever the wall will change into cancerous one. So nowadays several complaints of GI tract cancer is very prevalent, and that is the main thing that is uprising nowadays, and several other things like stomach cancer and liver cancer, because nowadays jaundice is very uncommon, cancers is very prevalent. So that's the thing. So we should avoid, and what whenever you will feel that heartburn is going on several times or several days within a week or within a month, don't wait for anything else. Just treat it, because it is not something else that will go off. It will take you to the cancerous path, obviously. And the worst thing is, GI tract cancer is very difficult to diagnose. So whenever it will be diagnosed, you will be at the stage 3 or 4.
Oh,
And as we all know,
oh.
stage 3 and 4 is untreatable in India. You will die.
Absolutely. Okay. So it's a big alert from mustard oil, and for most of the food products, which is causing a lot of disease and also cancer. And as Pralay, being a medical student, he's saying that you are landing up at stage 3 and 4, and sometimes it's not even curable. So what can I say? We have to
Actually, ma'am,
survive.
because as I think the smallest thing we can notice that is whenever you consume this mustard oil, like rich foods with mustard oil, you will feel some types of heartburn, and that is suggesting that this oil is adulterated.
Absolutely. So whenever you get that heartburn, you have to rush to the clinic and hospital, because instant diagnosis is very, very necessary and crucial. That much only I can say. And a healthy lifestyle, building a strong immunity, and rest is everything is in God's hands. Because wherever you go, you take a look at the right side, left side, center, back, everywhere you are absolutely surrounded with adulterated food. But only
And
solution I think is immunity power.
Few days
Yes.
ago, ma'am, I would like to discuss one thing. Few days ago, we got a patient, a 5-year-old boy who had cancer, 3rd stage in his stomach.
What happened to, sorry, stomach, what did you say?
Stomach cancer, 3rd stage.
Oh
A
my
5-year-old
God,
boy.
stomach cancer. 5-year-old boy. That's really sad. Really sad. I also know of a child who recently passed away, 11 years old boy. One of our students' relative, it's really, really sad. মানে একটা কথায় শেষ করব, যত ঝাঁঝ তেল, যত গাঢ় কালার, ততই সাবধান থাকতে হবে. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah, so Nilendu or Pralay, there is any way to find out if the oil is pure or it's mixed with something else? No. Actually, I have
don't
seen
know,
one
actually.
one way in YouTube. I don't know how authentic it is. So what they are telling, that put that oil in a bowl and inside freeze. Okay. If the oil gets freezed or any layer is coming over the oil, then it is mixed with something else. And if it is a pure mustard oil, then it will not get freezed.
No, I think I have also seen this type of video. There is a video that is after cooking chicken or anything else, you just put a ice cube in it and the extra oil will gather around the ice cube. Nothing like that. Only the banaspati oil will freeze in freezer, other oil will not freeze.
I'll just say one thing to wrap it up quickly. That is, we have to make our immunity system so strong that we can cope up with the contamination, pollution, adulteration. I don't see any other solution, because if you turn on your TV, there are programs where they are saying don't have cucumber, don't have puffed rice, manimuri, don't have rice, don't have chapati, don't have this and don't have that. So how do you survive? মানে হাওয়া খেয়ে তো বাঁচা যাবে না, সবই বলছে ভেজাল, তো খেতে তো হবে।
Better to start photosynthesis in our body.
And after COVID, it's like very easily people fall sick. You feel tired. মানে কোথাও ঘুরতে গেলাম, বাড়ি এসে you see you are exhausted. Why is this happening? Because before COVID, I didn't see these things happening. If you notice, এই যে বুক জ্বালা বলছো, heartburn, tiredness, exhaustion. So bottom line is, we have to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Now this can be really boring, but this is the only option. Exercise, meditate, spirituality, good lifestyle, disciplined lifestyle, strong immunity, so that any negativity coming towards you, you can just reflect it back, whether it's a virus or a disease or oil or whatever it is. On this note, we have to quickly wrap it up, to be continued next day. Bye for now, everyone.